In the year 2024, the UK economy stands as a testament to resilience and innovation. It's a vibrant tableau of growth and recovery, painted with broad strokes of determination and finesse. There are key sectors that have emerged as the driving force behind this economic resurgence, and it's worth taking a moment to appreciate their impact. First, let's talk about the technology sector. It's not just about smartphones and social media anymore. The tech industry is digging its roots deeper into the fabric of the UK economy, driving innovation in everything from healthcare to finance. We're seeing a surge in tech startups, and big tech companies are investing heavily in the UK. It's a sector that's not just surviving, but thriving. Then there's the green economy. The UK's commitment to achieving net zero emissions by 2050 has sparked a green revolution. Renewable energy, electric vehicles, and sustainable agriculture are all areas experiencing robust growth. Next, let's not forget the resilience of the manufacturing sector. Yes, it faced challenges due to Brexit and the COVID-19 pandemic, but it has rebounded with strength and resilience. Speaking of Brexit and COVID-19, it's remarkable how the UK economy has navigated these turbulent waters. Brexit brought its share of uncertainty, and the pandemic shook the world to its core. But the UK has managed to adapt and evolve, turning potential setbacks into opportunities for growth and innovation. The financial sector, too, has played a crucial role in this recovery. It's not just about banking anymore. Fintech has emerged as a dynamic force, disrupting traditional finance and paving the way for a more inclusive and efficient financial system. As we delve deeper into the finance news, it becomes evident that the UK's economic landscape is dynamic and ever-evolving. It's a testament to the country's resilience and its ability to innovate in the face of adversity. The finance sector has always been the backbone of the UK's economy. This statement rings true today, as it did a century ago. The finance sector, with its pivotal role in the allocation of resources and risk management, is the lifeblood that keeps the economic heart of the UK beating. Dive into the world of financial institutions and you'll find a plethora of players, each with their unique part to play. From banks and insurance companies to investment firms and pension funds, these institutions are the architects of the financial landscape. They provide the necessary services that grease the wheels of the economy, facilitating transactions, providing loans for businesses, and offering a safety net for individuals and corporations alike. Take banks, for instance. They are not just safe houses for our hard-earned money, but also the catalysts of economic growth. By providing loans, they enable businesses to expand, innovate, and create jobs. In the process, they contribute to the overall economic output of the country. Insurance companies, too, play a significant role. They provide a cushion against unexpected financial shocks, ensuring that businesses and individuals can bounce back from unforeseen events. By doing so, they instill confidence in the economy and promote stability. In recent times, the performance of these financial institutions has been commendable. Despite facing challenges, they've shown resilience and adaptability. Banks have continued to lend, supporting businesses through tough times. Insurance companies have stood by their customers, mitigating the financial impact of various risks. Investment firms and pension funds have continued to manage assets efficiently, ensuring healthy returns for their clients. However, the finance sector is not just about these institutions. It's also about the people who work in it, the policies that govern it, and the technology that drives it. All these elements work in harmony to ensure the smooth functioning of the economy. In summation, the UK's finance sector is more than a mere cog in the economic machine. It's the engine that drives growth, fosters innovation, and cushions against economic shocks. The finance sector continues to play a crucial role in shaping the UK's economic future. Government policies can make or break an economy. In the UK, they have been instrumental in steering the financial ship. In the year 2024, several key government policies have left an indelible mark on the financial landscape. One such policy is the Small Business Boost Initiative, which has been a beacon of hope for budding entrepreneurs. By offering tax incentives and low-interest loans, the government has facilitated the growth of small businesses, fostering an environment of innovation and resilience. The ripple effect of this policy is noticeable, as it has not only spurred economic activity, but also created job opportunities for thousands. The Green Energy Investment Scheme is another policy that has had a profound impact on the financial sector. By incentivizing investments in renewable energy, the government has driven a surge in green finance. This policy has not only attracted a pool of investors keen on sustainable investments, but also positioned the UK as a leader in tackling climate change. Let's not forget the Digital Currency Regulation Act. This policy was introduced to provide a framework for the burgeoning cryptocurrency market. By setting clear rules and regulations, the government has instilled confidence in investors, leading to an uptick in digital currency trading. This act has also protected the general public from potential scams and fraudulent activities in the crypto world. Lastly, the Public Welfare Investment Act has had a profound impact on the financial sector and the general public. By mandating a percentage of government pension funds to be invested in public welfare projects, the government has not only ensured a steady flow of funds for these projects, but also promised a secure return for the pensioners. In conclusion, these government policies have played a pivotal role in shaping the financial sector in 2024. They have influenced the way businesses operate, directed the flow of investments, and impacted the financial well-being of the general public. Government policies have been pivotal in fostering financial stability and growth in the UK. Investments are the lifeblood of an economy, and in the UK, we are witnessing some intriguing trends. As we navigate through the labyrinth of financial markets in 2024, it's impossible to ignore the compelling dynamism of certain sectors. At the forefront of these trends, we find technology and green energy sectors taking center stage. The tech sector, in particular, has seen a surge in investments fueled by the UK's ambition to become a global hub for digital innovation. This sector's growth is a testament to the country's robust startup culture and its commitment to fostering innovation. Simultaneously, the green energy sector is experiencing an influx of investments. As the world grapples with the realities of climate change, the UK is actively promoting sustainable practices. Investors are flocking to this sector, drawn by the promising returns and the opportunity to contribute to a greener future. Furthermore, the real estate market is enjoying renewed interest. With the post-pandemic recovery in full swing, investors are displaying an appetite for property, spurred by low interest rates and the potential for long-term growth. Another noteworthy trend in the investment landscape is the rise of alternative investments. From cryptocurrencies to art and collectibles, investors are diversifying their portfolios like never before. This trend signifies a shift in risk appetite and a willingness to explore unconventional avenues for wealth creation. Lastly, let's talk about the resurgence of manufacturing investments. The UK's manufacturing sector, once overlooked, is now enjoying a revival thanks to advancements in automation and AI technologies. Investors are seeing the potential for growth in this sector, recognizing the value of made-in UK goods on the global market. Investment trends provide a window into the future of the UK economy, and the view is quite promising. Predicting the future is a risky business, especially when it comes to economies, but certain indicators can give us a glimpse. Imagine this: the year is 2030, and the UK's economy is thriving like never before. It might seem like a stretch, but current trends and indicators paint a picture of a future that could very well be reality. The UK's economy is poised to continue its upward trajectory, driven by several key factors. First, let's talk about technology. The UK is a hotbed for tech innovation. With London being one of the world's leading tech hubs, the growth of the tech sector is set to propel the UK's economy forward, creating jobs, attracting investment and fostering innovation. But it's not all rosy. The UK's economy will face its fair share of challenges. Brexit uncertainties still loom large, and the country will need to navigate new trade relationships. Plus, the growing threat of climate change and the need for a transition to a green economy present both a challenge and an opportunity. Speaking of opportunities, the push towards a greener economy could be a major economic driver. The UK's commitment to achieving net zero carbon emissions by 2050 means big investments in renewable energy, electric vehicles, and other green technologies. This could spur economic growth and create a whole new sector of green jobs. Lastly, let's not forget about the people. The UK's population is diverse and dynamic, and the country's ability to attract and retain talent will be a key determinant of its economic success. If there's one thing we can be sure of, it's that the UK's economy will continue to evolve and adapt. Whether it's navigating Brexit, embracing green technology, or fostering a thriving tech sector, the UK is not afraid to face challenges head-on. The future of the UK's economy may be uncertain, but it is undoubtedly filled with potential.